Thank you very much. The hurricane is roaring and it could be a big one. We're hoping that it maybe makes a right and goes up north, but that's about a 5% chance. It's not looking good. And it's one of the biggest hurricanes we've seen in a long time. So it could be very devastating. I just spoke to Rick Scott, and I just spoke to, we have a lot of people that we're speaking to. I spoke with Marco Rubio, spoke to your governors of both Georgia, as you know, Georgia and Florida, and they're doing really well. They're working hard. I'm going to Camp David. We have a lot of experts with us, and we have a lot of the FEMA people that are coming up, but we're really, very importantly, coming back. And on Sunday at 12:30, we have a meeting at FEMA headquarters, and that will be about the time that we'll know where everything's going. A lot of decisions will be made. And I have to say, we've done a great job in Puerto Rico. We were totally ready in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, we got lucky, it missed Puerto Rico, but we were really ready in Puerto Rico, and we worked very well with government. You know, I have my issues with their government, but we worked very well. The new governor was on top of things, and we had a really great relationship with Puerto Rico. Fortunately, we didn't have to use what we had, but we were set to go in Puerto Rico. We were in great shape. Well, we're thinking about Florida evacuation, but it's a little bit too soon. People are getting ready. It may have to be evacuated. Sections may have to be evacuated. We'll probably make that determination on Sunday.